In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite teammates in Slack. If you need to bring a new person into your Slack workspace, the process is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can send an invitation with confidence and make sure your teammate is on the way to joining your workspace. To begin, go to the upper right area of Slack and click on Invite Teammates. This opens the invitation flow and is the starting point for adding new people to your workspace. If you don't immediately see it, just look around the top right corner of the Slack window where workspace actions are usually located. Once the invite window appears, type the person's name or email. In this example, we're using an email address, which is often the easiest and most reliable option, especially if you want to make sure the invitation goes to the correct person right away. Enter the email carefully so the invite reaches the intended teammate. After entering the email, click Add. This confirms the person you want to invite and places them into the invitation list. It's a simple step, but it helps make sure the invite is being prepared for the correct user before moving forward. Next, click on your organization. This step is important if Slack asks you to choose where the invitation should apply. Selecting the correct organization ensures the new teammate is being invited into the right workspace or company environment. After that, click Next. This moves you forward in the setup and gives Slack the information it needs to continue preparing the invitation. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review what you've entered before sending anything out. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitations. This is the step that actually sends the invitation email to your teammate. Once sent, Slack will handle the rest by delivering the invite so the user can join your workspace. After the invitation has been sent, click Done to close the process. That confirms you've finished the setup on your side and returns you to your Slack workspace. From there, the final part is simply to wait for the user to accept the invitation. They'll need to open the invite they received and follow Slack's sign up or join process. Until they accept, they may appear as pending, so don't worry if they don't show up immediately as a full member. And that's how to invite teammates in Slack. It's a straightforward process. Open the invite option and enter the email, add the user, select your organization, continue, send the invitation, and then wait for acceptance. Once they accept, they'll be ready to collaborate with your team in Slack.